Welcome everyone, my name is Dan. I'm the Director of HBHosting. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a WordPress website using HBHosting system. So before we get started, there's just two options you could choose. There is one, the Australian web hosting, and the other one, managed WordPress hosting. The managed WordPress hosting will basically set it up for you. You just pay and then it'll email you all your details for WordPress, and it's all that simple. That's it. This one costs $20 a month, which is a bit more expensive than the regular route where you'll do it yourself, because we do have automatic, keep your website up to date. We make sure the plugins are up to date, the WordPress itself is up to date, as well as a theme. On top of that, we also offer proactive defense to ensure that if there's any scripts or vulnerabilities and that an attack could use, we will basically mitigate that and cancel the script straight away to ensure your website's running smooth. Then we have just a regular web hosting plan, which is on cPanel. The starting price is $5 for a basic plan. It's great for websites that are just starting, but if you want to go up to the next level, there is a $10.50 plan, which is great for WordPress because as your website gets bigger, it uses more resources. So that's why we accommodate for that with each bigger plan. All our hostings do come with many benefits. The biggest benefit is that it's all Australian support 24/7, so we're always there for you. We also offer free website migration, so if you're moving your website to us, we also offer that. In addition, we also offer DDoS protection so that people can't spam your website and take it down. We have systems in place to make sure that doesn't happen. We also offer daily backups, so that way if anything goes wrong, you can always go back to a previous save. And all our hosting plans are WordPress optimized. Since WordPress is the most popular CMS out there, we want to make sure we can accommodate to everyone. Great. So let's continue in the setting up of WordPress. So first off, let's go into our starter hosting, where you could either register a domain, transfer your domain name to us, or use an existing domain. Up to you, whatever you want. We're going to use a demo account, so demo42, and as a .com. Great. Here is where you could select different upgrades if you want. A website builder, which we won't be using because we're using WordPress. You could have spam protection for your emails, as well as site lock to make sure your website's even safer. These do come with free options, and they're also paid options. Up to you if you want it or not. We won't be using it today because this is a demo account. Great. Here is where you could double check you got everything correct, your URL, your price, and also where you could enter a promo code. For HB hosting, if you're watching this, we offer a promo code called YouTube, which will give you 35% off your first invoice up to 1 year. But because this is a demo, we have a promo code for us to use, which is just demo. And that makes it $0, and it shows after this month, it will cost $5. Great, so we'll go to checkout, where you'll either sign up with Facebook or Google, or just put in your details as regular, and that's how you'll fill out all the information. But I already have an account set up for a demo. Great. We accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, or Bitcoin, up to you. We won't be doing any of that because it's all free. So what's happening now is it's basically automatically setting up the entire website for you to get ready straight away, and that's why it might take a bit longer than usual. Let's let this continue, and hopefully it'll be done at any minute now. Great. Now that it's done, it has an order number for you. If there's any issues, you open a support ticket to contact us. But let's continue to the client area. In here, this is the demo account. You can see your services, domains, tickets, or invoices, as well as any credit you might have available. Or if you're an affiliate, you could join as an affiliate up the top, and it'll have that information down here for you. But for the purpose of this video, we'll just go to services. Click on the demo account, and within the demo account, you'll have all these options. Go to emails forwarders, autoresponders, file manager, all the domain names. But for now, we're going to log into cPanel. Within cPanel, this is where you control everything for your website. You could create an email account, all of that. Again, we're showing you how to set up a WordPress website, so we'll get into that, and in other videos we'll go through everything else in here. So to do that, you could either click WordPress Manager or click View More up here, which is what we'll do because it has more configurable options. Then you click WordPress, install this application, and in here you could set the domain name. You want to make sure it's the HTTPS one, and you could set directory if it's not your main website. Otherwise, just leave it blank. For example, if you want it to be demo42.com/blog, you'll put blog there. You accept the terms, you do want updates, you do want WordPress plugins updates and theme updates, and we want to create backups. Then you set the admin username and password in here to whatever you want. Then the administrator email, the title of your website, the tagline, and you press install. Once you press install, it'll start setting up the website, and it'll also email you the information in here as well to make sure it's all working. And there you have it, installing, creating databases, everything's done. If you like this video and want more tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also check out our website and other social medias. All of that is in the description. And look at that, by the time I've even finished saying that, it's almost done. See you, everyone.